Hi, my friend. The weather is just so good outside. I always want to stay outside and training Kung Fu. And today, training plan is very simple. I really just want to work on Nangun. This one, the first section. Training. I didn't training this for so long. I do a couple times slow just for memory. So this way you can follow me. This is training and tutorial. So once you got the movement, I gotta be break down move by move and a little combo and then put together. And it's a simple goal. And hope you like it. So come here, right? So you go landing your left, you go one, and go power two, and go up and three, and you're landing, you go left, right, one, two, stop this way, jump three, and strike, and pull. This one must be right here, right? So you go start, one, two, step back, and you go push, then you go left, and right, left, and start, boom, power, pause fade, jump. Yeah, jump, jump, right here, and go, pull, step, and up, and turn by, one, two, stop, stop, two, and safe right here, your palm, finish it, there you go, up to start, and you finish, woo, alright, fun, wasn't easy to consistent to come in here and train, but I still showed up. How about you? So take stuff and training with me. And go. One, and two, and three. Right? So repeat two more times. One, and one, and two, and three. Oh, hard for the balance. For this way, the stuff actually help you, but you must really to keep your balance. You like to go this way, right? So not bad. One, two, three. And like one, and two. Wow. One, two, three. Let's see. What? Oh, that's up. Right? What? Ah, see, I lose my direction. Once I go faster, go straight this way. What? All right, last part. One more time. Feel better. Huh. Warm up good now. Nothing can stop me. Let's keep doing. Okay? Then go. One, two, three, and power. And go one, and two, three, and one, two, three. Oh, wrong. That's our big so for section two. One, two, three, and one. Yeah. Face quicker. One, two, three, and power. And go one, two, three. Yeah. Nice. Go. Here, 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 here. Powerful. So let's continue. After where we stopped, right here, right? Okay. Just your feet. You jump and go. There you go. Yeah. Go. Boom. Turning. So this is gonna be a little more. As, yeah, this is right. And I step. So this one, say you twist, shoulder step, power. The face right here. This is lock, and you twist, and you boom. Not that much time I have, so let's do one last time from the new part until the end. Oh. Well, the cardio wasn't good today. I think because I didn't really do warm up. I just got quick into it. But the result was what I planned. Alright, so my friend, someone messaged me, ask, hey, 师傅, why you change style? Sorry. So your video more look like real life, like a documentary. That's right. Because before I make some video, do a lot of editing, have a lot of effect. That's kind of real, but also not real. Kind of copy Hollywood style, yeah. But eventually, I want to do some video just like this. A simple, just real. Just like basics repeating. I know there's a big price to pay once you want to become yourself. But this is okay. That's what I choose, and I will keep up. But I believe there is someone, they like to watch something real, like a documentary, and someone like to watch Hollywood and big production. This is good too. All right, so my friend, remember, I always love you. I'll see you in the next video.